extemporary actually works like. So in the beginning, I'm going to be telling you, in the beginning I'm going to be introducing my topic as well as thanking the teacher, and then I will start my extempore for speaking. Okay? So a very pleasant afternoon to everybody present here. I'm Mansa, I'm a student from grade 12. Firstly, I would like to thank ma'am here for giving me a topic. This topic I think is most commonly known by students our age, by people who use this device particularly all the time in their day. The topic I've been given today is mobile phones, boon or bane. Now I start. Mobile phones. We all know mobile phones are a new age device. This phone right in your hand fits in the palm. It fits in the palm of your hand, fits right into your pocket. It may be big, it may be small, it may be thin, it may be a little large, but we all know it makes life much more simpler. How many of you have used a computer? Most of you, right? How many of you think that having this little computer in your pocket, it is better than hauling the 1.5 kg device into your backpack and taking it everywhere? This little phone in your hand will charge up to 12 hours a day, help you in every activity. So today, now, I'm going to show you two sides of the same coin. Mobile phones. Is it a boon? Is it a bane? Or maybe it's a gift with both of them fused into it. How is mobile phones a good thing? Let's see. When we begin in the morning, we wake up to an alarm. Do we still have those alarms with the ticking clocks? No. We have our phone right here. It snoozes our buttons and we wake up at the perfect time. When we get out and we are lost, what do? We open our phones. We have the GPS. We can track. We can go wherever we want. We have it in the tips of our hands. So tell me, why do you think a phone is so easy to use? Because it's mobile. You can carry it wherever you want. You can take it into your bathroom and say, okay, now let me just read a book. You can, when you're traveling in a bus and you're bored with the traffic, you can always plug in your earphones and play whatever tunes you like. We've all used Wi-Fi, we all have internet, we all have 3G. And having a mobile phone makes it just as easy to use. Now, you can download books at the tips of your fingers. You can read, you can search for information. And not only when you're a student, when you're doing your PhD or you're doing a research for your project or going outside just to know what place you're going to try new, you can always use your phone to Google it. Now, why is a mobile phone a bad thing? Radiations. When we use a mobile phone and hold it up to our ear, what we don't realize is that there are radiations that travel to connect the signal to your phone. Multiple radiations have caused cancer, brain tumors, and multiple other diseases. How many of you have heard of the toast syndrome? A toast syndrome is where your phone gets really hot because of using it very much, and your palms of your hand gets burnt because of the processor. It's known to happen mostly in places like China and the US, where the technology is used a lot. Phones may be easy to carry and hold it, and we might have all of it at the tips of our fingers. But what we're forgetting is that it's essential for a human body to walk, to exercise, to move a lot. A phone does all that for us. We don't move when we have a phone in our hands. Why do we need to go out when you can order food in here? Why do you need to go outside when you know what the weather is and what TV channels are coming? Why do you need to go outside to maybe watch a movie when you have it on your phone? All this is a part of mobile being a bane. A mobile phone does many things. It makes life much more simpler. It makes you a better person with all the knowledge that it gives you. But also remember, when you use a mobile phone, you do not have social interaction. With this note, I'd like to say that put your phones down, people. Look at the world around you. Switch it off. Talk to people. Talk to each other. Make new friends. Make new people. Put your mobile phones off. Switch off the phones. switch on your mind. Thank you.